USA Fall 2025. Admission guide, deadlines, best universities, and tips. Hello everyone! Planning to study in the USA? The Fall 2025 intake could be the perfect time for you. It's the most popular semester, offering a huge range of programs, scholarships, and career opportunities. Today, I'll break down the process and timeline so you can get started. Let's jump in. What is the fall intake? First off, what's special about the fall intake? It begins in late August or September, aligning with the academic year. This means more program options, plenty of scholarships, and tons of campus activities. Plus, you'll graduate on schedule with most students. Important dates and application deadlines. For Fall 2025, here's a quick timeline to keep in mind. Application period, November 2024 to May 2025. Classes start late August or early September 2025. The earlier you start, the more time you have for standardized tests and perfecting your applications. Popular programs and universities. Some in-demand programs include MBA, MS in computer science, data science, artificial intelligence, public health, and more. Top universities for these fields are New York University for Master in Business Administration, MIT for Computer Science and Engineering, Harvard for Economics and Psychology, Stanford for Management and Biology. These schools offer an amazing educational experience, so be sure to explore them. Fall intake benefits. Why should you consider fall? Here are some perks. 1. Wider program availability. Most U.S. universities offer more courses in fall. 2. Higher scholarship funds. Many institutions reserve their biggest scholarship budgets for fall students. 3. Easier transition. Fall aligns well with international graduation cycles, meaning a smoother transition for you. Application steps. Here's a quick guide to the process. 1. Research and shortlist. Start by picking universities and programs that align with your goals. 2. Standardized tests. Complete any required tests like the SAT, GRE, GMAT. 3. Prepare documents. This includes transcripts, your statement of purpose, and letters of recommendation. 4. Submit applications. Make sure to apply by January or February at the latest for regular decision. Scholarship opportunities. Fall also offers great scholarship options like UNT, International Education Scholarship, University of New Haven, Dean's Scholarship, UMBC, Academic Excellence Scholarship, and many more. Applying early boosts your chances for these. To sum it up, if you're planning for Fall 2025, start early. Reach out to K7 for personalized guidance. We're here to support your application journey, from shortlisting schools to perfecting your visa application. Ready to start? Book a call with us. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Good luck with your study abroad plans, and we'll see you in the next one.